In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a widget to your dashboard effectively. Whether you're optimizing for productivity or just want a cleaner display of your data, adding widgets can be a powerful way to customize your experience. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the dashboard where you intend to add your new widget. For those of you who are setting up a dashboard for the first time, you'll need to create one. Simply click on the plus new button and select dashboard from the options. This will initiate the creation of a fresh workspace tailored to your needs. Once your dashboard is ready, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see an option to plus add widget. Click on this button to start expanding your dashboard's functionality. As you proceed, you'll be greeted by a library brimming with different widget types. Here, you'll see a variety of options to choose from, each designed to present your data in unique formats. The widget library is divided into several categories to help you find what you need quickly. Chart widgets are perfect if you're looking to visualize data with pie, bar, or line charts, among others. These offer a great visual summary of your insights at a glance. If you prefer straightforward data presentations, then you might want to consider table or numbers widgets. Alternatively, for those managing time and resources, timeline, battery, or workload widgets might be more in line with your requirements. We can't forget about third-party widgets, which connect your dashboard with tools you use every day, like Google Drive, Slack, or Zoom. This integration can streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. Find a widget that suits your specific need and click to select it. Now it's time to configure the widget. This is where you tailor it to display the exact information you want to monitor. Select which board or data source you'd like the widget to pull information from. Customization doesn't stop there. You can dive deeper by adjusting filters, labels, colors, and display options to fit your preferences and ensure what you see is precisely tailored to your needs. Once you're content with the configuration, it's time to save your work. There should be an option labeled either Add to Dashboard or Save to seal the deal. Upon saving, your widget will seamlessly integrate into your dashboard's layout. After adding the widget, consider making some adjustments to optimize your dashboard further. Feel free to drag and drop the widget to place it in the most strategic position. Additionally, you can resize it by dragging the corners. This allows it to fit perfectly with other elements already on your dashboard, giving you a streamlined, functional layout that's a joy to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a widget to your dashboard, ready to help you stay organized and informed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your dashboard experience.